Ladies and gentlemen, are you a fan of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory? Well, this is Violet Beauregarde. That's how the name is pronounced, right? Okay, beautiful. Okay, just got confirmation on that. Vodka, fresh squeezed lime juice. Are you a Willy Wonka fan? Well, this one's for you. Okay, Basil, you know, he spanked that bad boy first. Okay, hit it with a little bit of Pimms, number 1. Ooh, some blueberry syrup. Okay, is there Pimms number 2? I'm not sure. Anyway, some green chartreuse. Lovely. Ice. And then we give this bad boy a nice shake, and there's Sean with his trademark shake. Look at it. All right, crushed ice, okay? And then we pour in our mix. By the way, we crushed that ice right here, homeboy, using a Lewis bag, old school, for those of you who don't know. Go check out Google it. All right, garnish with a little bit of basil. And there you have it. What's her name?
It's called Violet Beauregarde. It's the name of the girl that eats the blueberry gum and turns into a blueberry in Willy Wonka.
Okay, and the Chocolate Factory, for those of you who don't know. Is that like one of your favorite movies or some shit?
It was a book too.
Yeah, okay, sorry. So one of your favorite books?
This is my favorite books.
Okay,
sorry. Many books.
Okay, sure. What are some of the other books that you like? 101 Dalmatians?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm kidding.
Game of Thrones.
All right, stick this in here. Dude, Game of Thrones books, kind of cool because it's different from the... Anyway, we getting off... Hold on. What inspired you to make this drink? Sorry.
Well, blueberries are awesome and they taste good, and I wanted something that had like a different color than you typically find in cocktails.
Okay.
Are you gonna drink it? Or are we gonna
well, I was gonna answer the door, but since we're here, okay, let me drink this.
I'll answer the door. Hold on. Oh.
He's answering the door. We got some more mixologists coming in.
Tipsy Bartender. Hey, buddy, come on in. We're actually, you want to get in the end of this video? This guy's tasting it.
Oh, you're tasting some stuff?
Yeah. We have people walking in while we're shooting, but it's cool.
Here.
Okay?
Get on it. What do you think?
It's Chris.
Oh yeah, I could drink that.
You drink that? You're not too picky, are you?
Chris, Sean, Chris.
What's up, buddy?
There's two mixologists coming together, okay? The world is at one now.
You want to take a shot?
Yes.
Green chartreuse.
Oh, green chartreuse.
Let's make it happen.
I'm going home.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for coming. Hold on, I gotta tell them go find you, okay? What, you wanna do green chartreuse for real?
Just a little one, just a baby.
We can light it on fire first if that makes you more comfortable.
No, that's okay.
This is a Tipsy Bartender first, isn't it?
Okay, I don't even know how that goes together, but whatever. All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, mine was good.
Stay tipsy.
Mine was good. Anyway, all of y'all come back. Go find them on Instagram, okay, guys? All right? Stay tipsy.